What's that? Oh, what is that? Oh no. Is that deer or bunny? All right, leave it in the comments below. Is that Bambi or Peter Rabbit? What's up, guys? Mike here on the farm. Getting ready to go out and feed the chickens. Got my coffee. It's cold this morning. It's like in the 50s. Gotta wear a sweater. Ugh. Oh my gosh. So I think we need to get some shavings for these crazy chickens. Oh, there we go. Ah, there's some sun. When we had the storm come through, the tropical storm Ian, whatever, they got pretty wet. They were huddled in a little tiny coop. They hung out though, and they made it through, no issues. They were all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed the next morning, ready to eat. We make sure that we increase their food in the wintertime as it gets colder, so they can stay warm, they can eat more, and keep them from getting snooty snoots or whatever. So anyway, yeah, I think we're gonna try and get some cedar shavings and put it inside the big chicken coop and start transitioning them into that rather than sleeping in that tiny coop. We'll see if that works out, but I think we'll have to lock them in there for a day or two and feed them inside and whatnot. It's got windows on it, so it's got pretty good airflow. But there was a fox out here the other night. I was out, just walked Ashley and had the flashlight, and I saw that booger circling our property. It was kind of skirting the chicken run area, and then it skirted the edge of the property because it saw me, and of course saw my flashlight and all that stuff. So she hauled butt, but we'll have to get that issue sorted out. I started kind of clearing the lower property, but kind of going easy on it because the neighbors hunt the deer that are bedding down in there. So, and one of the neighbors also told me there's a fox den in there. So yeah, we're gonna have to deal with that. Apparently you can dispatch nuisance foxes if they're chasing your birds or your livestock or whatever. So hate to do that. Certainly don't want to, especially something that you're not gonna use fully, not gonna eat it or whatever. So maybe we can just scare her away and become somebody else's problem. All right, let's feed these chickens. All right, let's see how the ladies are doing. Hi, Duck. Hi, girls. Oh, there's Duke. Hey, Duke. High five, buddy. High five. All right. He's so cool. He is the funniest. I need like 4 hands. All right. Let's get you started, huh? Let's get you started with a little bit of, hey, what's your problem today, huh? Oh, we gonna have a problem, big boy? Mm-hmm, that's right. I'll make soup out of you. That's right, buddy. He's overly aggressive today. I don't know why. He's got the hormones rushing through his body. I need to set you all down for a minute. Oh no! All right, mister, we're gonna go throw some feed and steal some eggs, okay? Thanks, ladies. Let's see if he chases after me. He likes to chase people. Being a good boy. Oh, hi, girls. Hi, Duck Duck. How you doing, bud? Doing okay? Hi, ladies. Let's see what we got going on. We got there. Still got plenty of feed. I think I fed them yesterday afternoon, so they're doing okay. Let's see how many eggs. One egg in here. Thank you, ladies. I'll leave the feather behind for them. All right, let's check the other coop. Oop, oop, oop. Don't worry, bud, I'm not after you. We're not making duck soup yet. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hens. That means one is laying. Shoot, we want a breakfast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there somebody in there? Hi, sweeties. Is she in there? Hi, hon. Sorry, we'll let you be. Okay? Okay. Well, looks like we're gonna share a fried egg today for breakfast. All right. Oops, excuse me. Excuse me, darling. You good, buddy? Don't worry, I wouldn't take the machete to you. You're a good lad. Yep, you take care of those girls just fine, so no worries, bro. All right? All right. Guys, be good to yourself, be good to your neighbors and everybody else. We love you, and we'll see you next time.